Welcome to our computer quiz. Test your tech knowledge with these challenging questions. Let's see if you can pass this ultimate computer quiz in 2024. Question number 1. What does CPU cache memory do? A. Store frequently accessed data. B. Display images. C. Connect components. Question number 2. What does CPU speed measure? A. Storage capacity. B. Processing power. C. Display resolution. Question number 3. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Computer program. Utility. C. Control panel. Question number 4. What does GUI stand for? A. General Utility Indicator. B. Graphic User Interface. C. Global Update Index. Question number 5. What does HTML stand for? A. High-Tech Multimedia Language. B. Hypertext Markup Language. C. Hyperlinks and tables. Question number 6. What does LAN stand for? A. Large Access Node. B. Local Area Network. C. Logical Application Network. Question number 7. What does PDF stand for? A. Program Development File. B. Personal Data File. C. Portable Document Format. Question number 8. What does RAM stand for? A. Rapid Access Module. B. Read-Only Memory. So, Random Access Memory. Question number 9. What does SSD stand for? A. System Storage Device. B. Super Speed Disk. C. Solid State Drive. Question number 10. What does USB stand for? A. Universal Serial Bus. B. Unified System Bandwidth. C. Ultra Secure Backup. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and tech-related content.